And the last thing that I've learned, copy others. Most of the things have already been tried by other people using the topics that perform well on YouTube. And this is what I teach on my YouTube course. Like, if you see your competitor doing something and it performs well, do it.
Today, I am going to teach you 100 of the most common questions in English.
Today, I'm answering 100 common questions in English.
Hey guys, welcome to 100 Questions with Linguamarina and Venya.
I'm going to do this with the help of my lovely husband, William.
The person asking the questions is going to be my colleague, Tom, so let me put in my little earbud and let's give him a call.
William, are you ready?
Of course I'm ready, yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What is your full name?
My full name is Lucy Bella Simpkins.
What's your full name?
Rachel Smith.
What's your full name?
Marina Mogilko.
Do you have any pets?
No.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 2 pets.
Are you a cat person?
No.
Are you a dog person?
Not really, even though I had one growing up.
Are you a cat person or a dog person?
I think I'm a dog person.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother called George.
Do you have any siblings?
No, I don't.
Do you have any siblings?
I do. I have one brother.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, my favorite color is orange.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink right now.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm just married.
Are you married?
I am.
Are you single?
No, I'm not.
How would you describe your husband?
Lovely, handsome, very tall, and very funny.
What does he look like?
He's very handsome, strong. He has brown hair and brown eyes.
Do you have a favorite season?
Yes, my favorite season is spring.
What's your favorite season of the year?
Definitely fall.
What kind of music do you like?
Well, I love classical music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I don't really listen to too much music.
Do you like listening to music?
Actually, not really.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I always have porridge.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
Ooh, for breakfast, I usually have either a croissant and a latte or some of my homemade sourdough with goat cheese and Earl Grey tea.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
An omelet.
What is your favorite food?
Fruit, fruit, fruit.
And what is your favorite food?
Sushi.
Do you like to cook?
I love cooking.
Do you like cooking though?
No, I don't.
Do you prefer to eat at home or eat out?
I love eating out.
Do you eat at home or do you eat out?
I try to eat at home, but when I work outside my house, I eat out.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's a French restaurant in Cheltenham called L'Artisan.
What is your favorite restaurant to go to?
Daigo Sushi in Palo Alto.
Would you say you eat a healthy diet?
Yes, everything in moderation.
Would you say you have a healthy diet?
I think so.
What are your hobbies?
I really like running, cycling, and making videos on YouTube.
What are some of your hobbies?
Ooh, okay. I love baking. And right now I'm pretty into fitness and riding my Peloton.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do ballet.
Do you have children?
No.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 sons.
Do you guys have children?
We have 2 daughters.
How old are your children?
They are right now 3 and 6.
Oh, how old are they?
They are 2 and 1.
Can you sing?
Only if I've had a drink.
Can you sing as well?
Yes, I can.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I do. I play the violin.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I can play piano.
How many languages do you speak?
3.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
What do you like to do when you travel?
We like to relax, we like to try new food, and we like to explore.
What do you usually do during your trips?
Like when I'm on the airplane,
No, like when you're there.
I try to meet as many people as possible.
Do you prefer to travel alone or with others?
Always with others.
Do you like traveling alone or with friends and family?
I love traveling with my family.
What country would you like to travel to?
I always want to go back to Spain.
What's your favorite country to visit?
Italy.
What are you doing today?
Today I'm filming some YouTube videos.
So what are you doing right now?
I am recording a video with one of my friends, Venya.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
How old are you?
I am 32.
When's your birthday?
November 5th.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on March 13th.
Where do you live now?
Now I live in Philadelphia.
And where do you live now?
I live in Los Altos Hills, California.
What did you major in?
I majored in applied math, computer science, and music vocal performance.
What did you major in?
I majored in mathematics and economics.
What do you do for work?
I'm a YouTuber and I teach English in an online language school.
What do you do for a living?
I am a YouTube creator.